What's up, y'all? What's up? Chase out there, Roro out there too. I'm ready to go.
Mommy, 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 mommy. There ate all my chicken nuggets. I'll be right back.
Where you get chicken nuggets from? Yo, we going up tonight for my boy. All the way.
I just ate all my chicken nuggets. See?
I'm looking like a mom now, but
Hey, it made me see myself. Let me see myself. Mommy, let me see myself. I see myself. Mommy, I see myself. I'll be right back. Case, come see me. Mommy, Case, see me in the back. Case, see me that way. Y'all in this way.
the Don Julio.
Yeah.
I don't know what he talking about. Chicken nuggets.
Come on.
I ain't gonna do too much. It's gonna be expected from Rella. Ain't gonna do too much.
Look at this. This is right here. Oh, yeah, the manager. Look at this. It's 2 hairs.
What's up, little D? Yeah, I'm going.
Oh, look at this. I got 2 hairs. Yes, mommy ears. Yeah. I'm gonna be the donkey. Yay! Yay! Yeah. We did it. Yeah. Tyson make
I don't never go solo. Y'all tripping.
the unicorn. You the unicorn. Right, y'all. You the
Y'all
unicorn.
tripping.
You unicorn. Gosh.
Don't ever think I'm by myself ever. 7-7 down. 7-7-7. Dang. Go back to 7-7-7.
I don't want to go here.
Alright.
Yeah.
And I stay strapped.
The unicorn. Out.
I have my own
Stop, mommy.
security.
Here. Yay.
Stop. Didn't I say get out my hair? I don't never go nowhere solo. Y'all might think I be by myself, but I got folks everywhere. Football, I'm a football mom. Team mom. I'm a mother first. I'm a mother first and a bad bitch immediate after. Roll out there playing.
Hey, let me touch the nail. Let's go home.
But I ain't gonna do too much tonight. I'm gonna make sure he is proud of me.